Demystifying H2O, boiled versus distilled water.
Hello everyone! Today we're going to delve into the fascinating world of water, specifically focusing on the differences between boiled water and distilled water. You might think it's all just H2O, but as you'll soon discover, the process of boiling and distillation can create some key differences.
What is boiled water?
Boiling is a simple process you're probably quite familiar with. When we heat water to its boiling point, usually around 100 degrees Celsius or 212 degrees Fahrenheit at sea level, it starts to vaporize. The boiling process can kill many types of bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens, making the water safer to drink. But, even though boiling gets rid of these harmful organisms, it doesn't remove most other contaminants like minerals, salts, or potentially harmful chemicals. These substances will remain in the water after boiling, unless they happen to be volatile and evaporate along with the water.
What is distilled water?
Now let's talk about distilled water. Distillation is a more complex process than boiling. It involves heating the water until it turns into steam, then cooling that steam back down until it condenses into liquid water. This water, now free from its gaseous state, is collected in a separate container. The idea behind distillation is to leave behind any contaminants that don't boil off at the same temperature as water. Unlike boiling, distillation removes nearly all impurities, including minerals, salts, and most chemicals, leaving you with very pure water.
Boiled water versus distilled water. What's the difference?
So, boiled water and distilled water, what's the difference? Well, while both processes involve heating water, the main differences lie in what they leave behind and how pure the resulting water is. Boiled water is primarily free of microbial contaminants, but it still contains most other types of impurities like minerals, salts, and chemicals. On the other hand, distilled water is very pure, virtually free of all types of contaminants. This level of purity can be beneficial for certain uses like in laboratories or automotive cooling systems. But for drinking, the lack of natural minerals in distilled water can make it taste flat, and regular consumption could potentially lead to a mineral deficiency if you're not getting enough from other dietary sources. So there you have it. While both boiled and distilled water have had heat applied to them, the distillation process is more thorough, resulting in purer water. However, this doesn't automatically make distilled water the better choice for all purposes. It depends on what you need it for. Always remember, different types of water serve different purposes. We hope this video has cleared up the differences between boiled and distilled water for you. Stay hydrated, and we'll see you in our next deep dive into the wonders of everyday science.